Alrighty, here we are on the 2.11 classwork. So you are in your new classwork packet. The cover should say topic B on the front. And we are moving into multiplying and dividing integers. So the first section here, 1 through 12. So the goal for today actually is to do the entire 2 pages, so 1 through 15. Now, first section here, 1 through 12, it's pretty much the straight up, multiplying, dividing. Um, for things like, say, number 4, you go from left to right, so you would do the -2 times -5 first, which would be 10, then times the 4, so your answer here would be 40, okay? On number 3, a little reminder, -5 to the third would be -5 times -5 times -5, okay? So that should help you out with the first one. 3 and 9 are very similar. Now, number 7 through 9, evaluate the expression when. So this is where you're plugging in the numbers for the letters. So like for number 7 here, A is -4, so this would be -4 squared times B is -3. Okay, and we really want to use the parentheses here. So this would be like saying -4 times -4 times -3. So -4 times -4 is 16 times -3, which would give us -48 for our answer. Okay, so make sure you rewrite it first with the numbers and then try to solve it. Don't do both at once. All right, and then number 10 and 11 here, tell what property or properties would make each problem easier to solve. This goes back to the idea of like associative or commutative. Those properties I told you would come back to haunt you if you didn't learn them the first time. So that will help you with 10 and 11. And then on the second page, 12 is pretty much writing your own example. 13, 14, and 15, the most important part in the directions say to write a multiplication or division expression, then solve. So in number 13 here, each time that Samantha rides a commuter train, she spends $4 for her one-way fare. Write an integer that represents the change in Samantha's money from riding the commuter train to work to and from work for 13 days. So we know it's $4. So we know she's spending $4, so it'd be -4. Then we know it happens for 13 days. Now this is the part people forget, is that it's to and from work. So that's 2 rides per day. So then we'd multiply 2 times -4 would be -8 times the 13. So we would get -104, and that's what they want. They wanted the integer -104. Okay, that represents the change. They didn't ask, for anything else, but what that means is that she would spend $104. Okay, so hopefully that helps with 14 and 15, and then that's all you need to do for today. So of course, if you have any more questions, you can always come to office hours, or you can send me an email, or you can ask me in class tomorrow.